Children's property belongs to the parents. It's reported that a person came to Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam and complained that his father would take his property without permission. His father was called and came laying on a walking stick. When he was asked about his son's claim, the father said, "When I was strong, he was weak. When I was wealthy, he was poor. I did not stop him from taking my wealth, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Now he is strong, I am weak, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. He is being miserly towards me. He is being miserly towards me. He is being miserly towards me, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam." Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam listened to the old man and began to the crying and said, "Whichever rock and stone heard your story is also crying." He then turned towards the son and said, "You and your position belong to your parents. You and your position belong to your parents," says Subhanallah.